The world of Forex trading shimmers with promises of wealth, fortunes made overnight, financial freedom at your fingertips. But this alluring facade often masks a dark truth. Most Forex traders fail. They enter the market with dreams of easy money, only to be met with the harsh reality of its unforgiving nature. The flashing charts and fluctuating numbers become a siren song, drawing in unsuspecting newcomers to a financial shipwreck. The allure of Forex is powerful. The market is open 24 hours a day, offering endless opportunities to trade. Currencies fluctuate constantly, creating the illusion of easy profits. Add to this the readily available leverage, and you have a recipe for disaster for those unprepared. The truth is, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a complex and volatile market that demands discipline, knowledge, and a healthy dose of risk management. Without these, even the most promising trader can be lured into a false sense of security, only to be met with devastating losses. John, a young and ambitious man, stumbled upon Forex trading during his lunch break. He was instantly captivated. Articles boasted of ordinary people transforming into millionaires. Forums buzzed with success stories. John, yearning for a life free from the daily grind, decided to take the plunge. He opened a trading account, armed with nothing but enthusiasm and a handful of YouTube tutorials. John saw the market as a money-printing machine, ready to dispense profits at his command. He started small, placing cautious trades. Then came his first win, and another. The rush was intoxicating, his confidence soared. He thought he had cracked the code. Blinded by his early success, John grew impatient. He delved into larger trades, convinced he couldn't lose. He ignored the importance of research and risk management. Then the tide turned. The market, indifferent to John's aspirations, swung against him. His profits evaporated, his initial deposit dwindled, panic set in. John's story is not unique, it's a cautionary tale repeated countless times in the Forex market. He fell prey to the same mistakes that snare many beginners: lack of education, overconfidence, and a disregard for risk. One of the most seductive and dangerous aspects of Forex trading is leverage. Brokers offer it readily, allowing traders to control large positions with a small amount of capital. While this can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses, often with devastating consequences. Imagine this: with leverage of 1 to 100, a trader with $1,000 can control a position worth $100,000. A small movement in their favor can yield significant returns, but the opposite is also true. A slight move against their position can wipe out their entire account. Leverage, in essence, turns Forex trading into a high-stakes gamble for the unprepared. It seduces traders with the promise of quick riches, but without proper knowledge and risk management, it becomes a recipe for financial ruin. Section 4. Risk Management, the unsung hero of trading. If there's one takeaway from John's story, it's the paramount importance of risk management. Sadly, it's often overlooked, overshadowed by the allure of quick profits. But in the volatile world of Forex, it's the one tool that can mean the difference between success and utter failure. Risk management is not about eliminating risk altogether. That's impossible in trading. It's about understanding and mitigating the risks involved. It's about knowing how much you can afford to lose on any given trade and setting stop-loss orders to prevent catastrophic losses. Think of risk management as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when you fall, preventing a small misstep from turning into a financial disaster. Section 5. Navigate the Forex waters with caution. The Forex market, while perilous, offers immense opportunities for those willing to tread carefully. It's not a casino, nor is it a guaranteed path to riches. It's a complex ecosystem that demands respect, knowledge, and a disciplined approach. Before diving into Forex trading, equip yourself with the necessary tools. Invest in education. Understand the intricacies of the market, different trading strategies, and most importantly, risk management. Start small and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience. Remember, Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be losses along the way. It's how you manage those losses that will determine your success. Trade responsibly, stay informed, and never stop learning.